Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Christmas is incomplete without baking. So this season I'm going to share a very special recipe that is low fat and gluten free. So let's get started. So first I'm going to add bananas. Next goes the eggs, brown sugar, cocoa powder, rolled oats, baking soda, oil, vanilla essence and water. The best part about this recipe is that it is completely mess free. Just blend it and you are done. Let's blend it. Our batter is ready. Let's pour it into a tin and put it for baking. I have greased the cake tin and lined it with parchment paper. Now I am going to dust it with some cocoa powder. Dusting helps the cake to demold very easily. The pan is greased and dusted. So now I am going to pour in the cake batter. Give the tin a couple of taps to release the air bubbles that are trapped in the batter. Let's top it with some chocolate chips. Actually, no, a lot of chocolate chips. Let's bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. The cake is nicely baked and cooled down a bit. Now I am going to unmold it. Let's run a knife around the edges so it comes off very easily. Let's unmold it on a wire rack. Gently flip it and there you go. Let's do the plating. Flip it again like this. And now for some final touches. I'm going to place this reindeer on top of the cake like this, and now for some snow effect I'm going to dust some powdered sugar. Let's remove the reindeer. There you go. Let's cut a slice. Gluten-free cake is ready. So this Christmas season, do give this a try and let us know how it turned out.